Welcome back, fellow coders. Today, we'll be exploring string formatting, user input, and exception handling in Python in just 2 minutes. First, let's talk about string formatting. Python provides several ways to format strings, but today we'll focus on the format method and fstrings. Here, we use the format method to insert variables, name, and age into the string. The placeholders are replaced by the variables in the order they appear. Fstrings, introduced in Python 3.6, provide a more concise way to format strings. Simply prefix the string with an F and include the variables in curly braces. Now, let's discuss user input. To get input from a user, we use the input function. Here, we prompt the user to enter their name. The input function reads the user's input as a string and assigns it to the variable user name. Let's combine what we have learned to create a simple program that asks for a user's name and age, then prints a formatted message. Lastly, let's learn about error handling. When dealing with user input, it's important to handle errors gracefully to avoid unexpected crashes. Python provides the try-except block to catch and handle errors. Here, we wrap the user input in a try block. If the user inputs a non-numeric value, a value error is raised. The except block catches the error and prints a helpful message. Now, let's combine everything we have learned to create a robust program that asks for a user's name and age, handles potential errors, and prints a formatted message. And that's it. We have learned the basics of string formatting, user input, and error handling in Python. Keep practicing to become a Python pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy coding.